Now, you are not going to know if things work or not work if you are not consistent with your emails. So make sure that with the subject lines, you may want to play around one week to the other and vary the concepts of what we just talked about and see what works best for your audience. And the second thing about this is, depending upon your email system, you may be able to A/B test your email subject lines. So I want to put a little caveat with that. Very important for those of you who want to A/B test. A/B tests take longer. So if you expect it to get in their inbox at 7 in the morning, you actually have to start the sending earlier. So you really want to think through when you A/B test, because the way an A/B test works, so for anyone who's never done this, is it sends out so many with subject line A and so many with subject line B. So maybe you want to do an offer versus a storytelling, or maybe you want to do a direct versus a storytelling and see which one works better. It sends it out, and then based on the open rates, it then picks a winner. So if you want everybody to get it at a certain time, you got to be careful about when you pick this. So for us, it's really hard for us to do A/B tests because we usually do it on Wednesday. So I'd have to do it on a Wednesday where we don't have a webinar, because that's one of the reasons why we picked Wednesdays, is we do webinars every other week.